Hey, it's Kelvin back here again. So we do apologize for the noise you might hear in the background. So and today I have this evening we have a crazy one. So today I'm an iMac 81224. I think it's a 209 or 2010. It's an old one, but so it has a problem with booting. So it will display the logo, the Apple logo, and then I didn't get to record that. It could display the Apple logo and then it will fail to complete the boot sequence. So it will just freeze out, the screen will go white and it will not proceed from there. So the owner suggested, I didn't suggest, the owner suggested we do a swap of the hard drive. So we removed the hard disk. This was the hard disk that was inside, and we swapped with another hard disk, but still the same problem. So as I was opening it up, I found so much dust in the fans, which clearly indicates that the fans being clogged up. That means that the paste on this PC is definitely dried up. That is just obvious. That is just obvious. And to my surprise, I decided to take the. I've already reached out to the owner. I've told the owner that the problem still persists. So here's the motherboard. It's a huge one. It has a huge heatsink too, because it does have a GPU. There's a GPU right here, and the CPU is right here. So it's quite massive. It's quite heavy too. It's an iMac, of course. The RAM is right here. These are iMac that you usually pull down the RAM sticks from below, right below the screen, right below the screen. So it's quite massive and it has a lot of work to get it out. So this is a condition that I found it in. So much dust. There's so much dust, you can see. So I have to clean it up. I have to open up this heatsink, clean it up, heat up the entire motherboard. I'll heat up the GPU just to make sure that it properly runs, and it might push it for like a year or two. But let me see if my thought is right, because I definitely think this machine is not putting up because of the dried up thermal paste underneath, and the fans too are clogged up. So my bet is on that. So let us begin. A lot of dust around, so that's why we're going to be cleaning up as we proceed to take out the heatsink, which I find really tightened up. That was a hard one. And by the way, I have to stand up to take this out. Damn. Okay, I'll have to pause this. I proceed. So finally, my arm is quite sore right here. Hey. So just managed to take out the GPU. Still trying to figure out how the screws on the CPU are quite tight. So just like I thought, you can see it's completely dried up, completely dry. Machine cannot perform at all in this state. It's completely dried up. The rubbers are in good condition, but the thermal paste is quite dried up. The machine cannot perform at all in this state. So let me proceed to take out you have to clean all these up. It's quite dirty, and apply fresh thermal paste. Heat it up just a little bit, but let me still proceed to take out the CPU heatsink. So I decided to give up on taking out the heatsink. One side came up, so I figured out let me just pass thermal paste right there. I'm not doing this anymore with this. Let me just close it up right there and proceed to fixing it, because the GPU is the main problem. The processor is removable. It's not permanent, so even if it does fail, we're going to get another one. But the GPU, it is expensive. So let's sort that out first. Yeah. let's sort out the GPU first. Let's sort out the GPU because the GPU is an expensive part right here. So let's figure out how we're going to apply the press afresh and carefully take off the rubbers and heat it up just a little bit. Going to heat it up just a little bit in the air. Make sure that there are no dry joints. Just trying to clear out, making sure that there are no dry joints on this motherboard. This is the GPU, and we're hoping for success on these. When it boots up to the desktop, that will mean that it's a success because it's not even making it to the login screen. So I am hopeful that this will work. I have seen this kind of behavior before. I'm going to clean out this paste so I can apply fresh paste and then close it up. And then I'm going to see you as we test it right now. So see you in a bit. It was about complete an installation for the OS. There's my iMac. Let's plug it in. Moment of truth. There we go. So let me tell you, it's more visible like that. So let us see if it will be a success.
So you know this big diamonds will last here attention. Because you know you're talking about you.
It was heating up so fast in an instant, so it was reaching about that point, and then it was raising out. I don't know if you can see it much clearer. Let me see if I can get much better position. Right there is much better. It was getting to about that point, and then it was just not going beyond that point.
How flexible? How flexible? You like to walking? I am very flexible. Walking.
Let's wait. It could not get beyond that point, and I can see some great signs already. A success. A success. Tiresome, my palm is in pain trying to get out those screws. What can I say? You diagnose these machines long enough and you get to know sometimes where the problem is coming from. So visit us for any Mac repairs, HP repairs, and we are going to sort it out. The machine is working. The phones are spinning real hard, but about this time it was already really hard. It was really getting hard. So I'm going to send this to the owner right now, so probably he can compensate for this overtime. So cheers guys, I'm out. The Mac is working.